Just listen. Change. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? This is real music. This is what you call real composed music. Every element is connected. Everything is connected by one person. Shit. Let's go. Ooh. Shit. Hey girl. Love with or without. One give you the world, well, hey girl. The amount of times he says, hey girl. One give you the world, well, hey girl. That is crazy, you see? And you would think it's so repetitive that it gets annoying, but it doesn't get annoying. It just connects and it just matches with everything, the rhythm, everything, it just connects. Shit, pull that song up, bro. Let's go again. Shit.